why can't starting a business online be simple, right? Why can't it just be like, you know, you start your business, you do what the mentor tell you to do, and then the money start rolling in, and then the income start flowing, right? And then you quit your job, and then you start living a lavish life. Why can't it be that simple? It's so difficult. It's extremely difficult, right? And it's like unfair to the normal person that's really trying to start an internet marketing business online. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to teach you how to do that. I'm going to teach the normal person how to start an internet marketing business online. Back in 2005, that's when I first got started, right? I got started, and what happened is that it took me a long time to figure it out. So I went from 2005 to 2011. That was like 6 years. 6 years of complete failure. But you know what happened? I didn't figure that out. I didn't, you know, discover the magic pill or anything. I had to go pay $10,000 and sit in the room. Sit in that room with a bunch of other marketers that told me exactly how to figure this stuff out. And that was the only way I was able to do it, right? And it's unfair because if you ain't got that type of money, if you in fear of losing your job or being replaced by an automated teller or some type of Android circuit machine, right? If you're in fear of losing your job, then there's no way you're going to figure this out because you're too stressed out. You don't have enough money to actually, you know, go figure it out. All right. So what we're doing tonight is that we're going to be hosting a training, right? Per training on how to start an internet marketing business online. So if you just like a normal person and you want to learn how to start a business online, right, in the internet marketing niche, then I highly recommend that you click the link in this video so that I can teach you how to do it. Right, me and my team, we're doing some big things. I'm teaching about 176 people in my beta group right now, and it's so good. I just want to take it to the world. Right, my name's Larry Wills. I'm gonna see you on the training. Click the link. Let's go ahead and hop in. Okay, talk to y'all later. Peace.